Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements so you can get the most of your reading. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Sa mga nagtatanong, all my readings are timeless. Pwede kayong maging bukas sa mga messages anytime you come across this video. There's no time in spirit. I'm doing readings for all signs every week for love and guidance. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Virgo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you, Virgo. Deadlines. Meron kayong mga tinatapos na projects or meron kayong hinahabol na due date or deadlines. Sa trabaho man to, sa project, or payments, okay, na kailangan ninyong gawin. Background check. Yung iba sa inyo, you're doing background check. Okay. With your clients or customers, mga prospects, no? Kung nasa sales kayo or in real estate, okay, you are doing background check, or if you are working in a bank or in finances. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are applying for job, and yung employer, they are performing background check para sa inyong qualification. Okay? That's for some of you. Budget. Okay? Yeah. Inaayos ninyo ang inyong finances, ang inyong mga budget sa araw-araw or monthly or weekly. Okay? Mga expenses. Yeah. You are doing, may ginagawa kayong budgeting. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, yeah, parang allocation. Nag-allocate kayo ng budget para sa mga expenses or para sa mga bayarin. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Income versus expense. Okay? You're thinking about it. Pinagkakasya nyo lang. Okay? You are managing it. Okay? You're managing your finances. Job loss, termination of employment. Yeah, for some of you, naghahanap ng paglilipatan na trabaho. Okay? Yeah. Merong unemployment, termination. Okay? Yeah. You're looking for a new job. Naghahanap ng mga prospects ng pag-a-applyan. Spending. Okay? So, watch out of your spending habits. Okay? Yeah. Mga gastusin, okay, expenses. You are thinking about your expenses, yung mga bayarin. Okay? Okay, calculator. Balancing, computing your expenses against your income. Okay? Tingnan natin ang mga additional messages, energies, and insights for Virgo. Horseshoe, good luck. Okay? So, mayroong good luck sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? You will be receiving good luck, opportunities. Okay? Work man to. Positive results sa inyong ina-applyan. Okay? Crown. Honor and respect will come to you. Okay? Hand. In need of help, assistance, and guidance. Okay? That is for some of you. You need support or assistance, guidance, and help in your finances, even in your relationship, okay? Sa personal life ninyo. Not unsuccessful plans, okay? You need to revise your plans. Virgo, okay? Meron may mga disappointments or hindi natuloy din na mga plano, okay? You have to revise. Make new plans. Yeah. Broken wishbone. Wish will not be granted, okay? For some of you, there is disappointment. But do not lose hope, okay? Keep on moving forward. Funnel. Period of frustration, lessons to be learned, okay? Yeah. Frustrations, okay? So, kung ano man yung mga disappointments or frustrations na inyong kinakaharap ngayon, may mga lessons yan para sa inyo. You can use it for your next plan, next strategies. Okay. Alright. So, tingnan natin from the tarot, ano yung mga insights and messages for the for Virgo. Virgo, please. Virgo. Virgo. Plans, energies for Virgo. Virgo. Energies, messages, ano yung mga gabay or paparating for Virgo. Okay. You will be receiving money, okay? If you are applying for a loan, it will be granted. You will be receiving favors. Kung meron kayong ina-applyan na trabaho, okay? You will be shortlisted. You will be given attention, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, new career, okay? For some, you will be receiving gifts, money. Okay? Yeah, you will be receiving money. Okay? This is a raise of salary as well for some of you. Promotion. Okay? Page of Wands, yes. Look, you are looking forward. Okay? Mga bagong endeavor, exciting sa buhay mo. Yeah, you are full of hope. Okay? May mga plans na rin kayong naiisip for the future. Okay? So, prepare a plan. Yeah. So, plan ahead. Okay? For some of you, you are thinking about traveling. Yeah. The Hierophant. Marriage. Commitment. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are looking forward sa inyong future. Okay? You are excited about it, about a union. Okay? A union with your loved one. Okay? For some of you, you are looking forward or expecting to get married. Okay? Yeah. High Priestess. Okay? There is expansion. Okay? Pakiramdaman mo ang isang sitwasyon bago ka gumawa ng aksyon or bago ka mag-decide. Okay? Listen kung anong sinasabi ng inyong puso, ng inyong isip, ng inyong puso. Okay? Listen to your intuition. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Contentment, happiness with family. Okay. May paparating na happiness, contentment, and abundance sa family mo. It is yet to be revealed, Virgo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Seven of Swords. Okay. Be careful sa mga tao na inyong kasalamuha. Okay? Merong selfishness or deception. Okay? Be aware, okay, sa mga tao na umiiwas din ng responsibilidad. Okay? Merong selfishness. Merong pagtatago. Okay? Meron ding deception. They are getting away of something. Virgo. So, be cautious in dealing with others, okay? Of their behavior. Okay. Okay, so be smart. Most especially sa trabaho, okay? Yeah. Or even in the relationship. The lovers. Yeah. There is deception at play for some of you in the relationship. Pay attention sa mga red flags. Yeah. Yeah. For some of you, mayroong gatherings and union. There will be celebration. Okay. Yeah. Announcement of good news, promotions, or birth. Okay. A successful event. Okay. There is an announcement for that calls for a celebration. Okay. Yeah. Abundance. May paparating na abundance. Okay. You will have more than enough to take care. Okay. For yourself and sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo or sa mga loved ones. Yeah. Nurture yourself and nurture others as well. Okay. Prosperity. Kaperahan. Yeah. For some of you, merong decision na gagawin. You're going to make a choice. Whether sa relationship mo to or sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? So, you need to be smart sa trabaho, sa relasyon. Okay? Yeah. Queen of Swords. So, know what you want. Okay? Communicate it kung ano yung gusto mo na mangyayari sa life mo. Express it. Okay? You are no longer accepting BS or nonsense. You want to have a direction. You are focusing on your goals. Okay? Okay, you are clearing away things that no longer serve you. Yeah. Meron kang puputulin na relationship or merong discord. Okay? Because now, alam mo na kung ano ang para sa'yo at anong tama para sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, you will be protective of yourself. Defend yourself, okay? For some of you, protect your assets. Protect your work. Page of Swords. Okay? Merong stalking and spying na nangyayari. Okay? For some of you, you are getting information. about someone, about a partner, okay? And you are protecting yourself. Okay. Ace of Cups. Merong spiritual growth na nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Blessings. Spiritual awareness in your situation. You know, kung alam mo na ngayon kung ano ang gagawin mo, okay, in your situation, na pabor para sa'yo. Okay? For some, there is a resurgence of a relationship. Okay? Yeah. Okay. You are protecting your energy, okay? Yeah. You are thinking about money, and you are also being smart and wise sa inyong spending habits for some of you. For some of you, ayaw nyo mag-spend na sa mga bagay na hindi necessary or hindi importante. Okay, the devil. Okay. Yeah. Meron kang kakayahan to detach yourself from a unhealthy relationship. Kung meron kayong napansin na mga unhealthy patterns sa relationship, okay, don't trap yourself. Know what you want, kung ano yung para sa inyo, okay? Kung ano yung advantage para sa inyo. Okay, for some of you, may mga addictions, okay? Or you are in a toxic relationship. Yeah. For some of you, self-love, okay? Self-care. Protect your energy. You've learned some truth in a relationship, okay? For some, there is third party. You are protecting yourself, okay? You are defending yourself. You don't want to be hurt. Yeah. So you're going to make a wise decision para sa sarili mo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are going to detach or release yourself from a toxic person, a toxic situation, a toxic relationship. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, yes, you are going to correct kung nag-overspend ka. Okay? Self-indulgence. Okay? You are going to control yourself from that. Because you know, merong spiritual growth within you. Merong realization. You're thinking about yourself. You will think about yourself. Okay? You will be controlling yourself sa mga unhealthy na relationship or toxic relationship or situation. Okay? So, there is good news for you. There is celebration. You are doing well sa work mo. Meron kang realization. Yeah. You are protecting yourself. Okay? Merong spying. Okay? Parang merong may gusto sa inyo na kausapin ka. Okay? To express their love or feelings, but it's unhealthy, toxic. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you keep on waiting. You are waiting for a development. Is this in a relationship or sa career mo or sa finances mo? Go, you are tired. Meron kang realization, so that's why you are moving on. Yeah. There will be happiness. Okay? Yeah. You're going to be discerned. Okay? Sa mga desisyon mo. Okay? You have to balance. Okay? Merong balance of emotions and mental. Okay? Yeah. That's for Virgo. Yeah. Abundance is coming to you. You know what you want. You will be taking care of yourself. Kung ano ang beneficial, kung ano lang ang tama para sa inyo. Okay? You will be making a good decision. Virgo. Make today your new beginning. Try to leave any past mistakes in the past. Don't allow them to weigh you down any longer. Move forward today and with the confidence and knowing that you have better and brighter days ahead. Okay? So it's a confirmation of your reading, Virgo. Move forward today. Release yourself from a trap or past or toxic relationship. Okay? Release yourself from disappointments. Know what you want. Communicate it. Virgo. 1. You are a self-starter with very innovative ways of creating opportunity. Your determination and endurance are powerful and will help you get through rough times and reach success. I am innovative. You are innovative, Virgo. Okay? So move forward with confidence, knowing that you have better and brighter days ahead. Okay? So Virgo, all the best sa inyo. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!